Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today I'm going to show you that how to create an email address for yourself or for your business. For that you have to just go to Google and just write here create Gmail account and then click on enter, and here just click on create a Gmail account, Gmail help and Google. Yes, right click on it, and here just click on create an account, and then this menu will come to in front of you. So here just give a first name and then last name, and here it wants username from you, and here you have to give a password. The password, use 8 more characters with a maximum of letters, numbers and symbols. Yes, you have to give them, and here I am giving a number like John, and here I will give the username which will show on our Gmail account like John 1938. And here you just give next. Yes, here it wants from you your phone number, but it's optional if you give or not. Here just recover your email address John 8334 at gmail.com. Yes, and here it wants your birthday, that and which date you are born, and 1950. Yes, and here just confirm gender, and here just click on next. Yes, and here it shows that your email address have been created, and just click on I active. Yes, congratulations, your email address has been made. Yes, and welcome Panja, manage your information, privacy and security to make Google work better for you. Yes, so it was the way that how to create an Gmail address for yourself. Thanks for watching.